In this video, I'm going to show you how you can rearrange or you can change the order of your pages in a PDF document. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so I have here a 12-page document. This is a PDF document, but there are some pages that are rearranged. For instance, I'd like to go ahead and rearrange some of these pages on my document. For instance, I may want to go ahead and move page 2 maybe to page 5. To do so, it is quite simple. Just head to any browser and then go to this website called I Love PDF. Now, this is a free online tool that you can use to manage your PDF document. Now, under this, head over to this option called All PDF Tools, and then here you will see this option called Organize PDF. If you go ahead and click on it, you'll have an option to go ahead and upload your document here. And the simplest way to do it is just to drag and drop your document here. So I'll go ahead and choose my document, and here it is, and then I just drop it here. And look at that, it has dismantled all the pages on my document. And as you can see, these pages have been arranged from page 1, which is the first one, to page 12, which is the last one, and here it is. However, I'd like to go ahead and rearrange such that page 2 will be page 6. And to do this, you can just move it here, and maybe I want page 6 to be now page 2. So I can just drag it and rearrange it as so. I'd also like to go ahead and make page 4 to be page 9, and then page 9 to be page 4. So I'll go ahead, I'll put it there. So you can rearrange these pages in any order that you so wish. Once you have finished, now you can go ahead and click on Organize, and then this will go ahead and organize this document according to the latest order that you wanted. And after that, it will go ahead and download an already organized document. And if I go ahead and open it, now I have here a final document that has been organized. So I used this document that had numbered pages so that we can see the effect. For instance, this was, we interchanged page 2 with page 6. Now page 6 here is our page 2, and all the other pages are as I move them. Now look at that. We also changed the order of page 4. You can see that was, we moved page 9 to page 4, and you can see that, and all the others have now taken that order. You can remember what was page 2, we moved it to page 6, and I'm on page 6 here. You can confirm it by this. You can see this is our current page 6, which was initially page 2. So that's how you can rearrange your PDF documents using this free online tool. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.